what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing.
Okay, so it's save 20. Save 20 if you want to get that discount off, honey. Yes. Okay, go definitely check out her website, and it's basically it's Fit by Ruth. Let me just make sure, you guys. I'll put that down in the description box below. Yeah, I'll definitely put that down in the description box below. I'll also try to tag it somewhere in this video. And it's www.fitbyruth.com. That's FITBYRUTH.com. So yeah, you guys. Guys, I'm gonna go back on there because I see some more stuff that I want off of there. But yes, y'all need to check her website out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Support. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So, today's video is going to be basically like an unboxing or whatever. I reached out to this company, and yeah, I think it's fly here. Yeah, I think it's fly here. Anyways, I reached out to this company. It's a little boutique or whatever, and I was just thinking like I need some cute stuff for the, you know, for the summer or whatever. You know, get my summer body on or whatever. And this video is not sponsored by the company. However, I did get a discount, and you guys can get a discount too. Hey, I get a discount. But yes, oh my god, I'm so excited. So I went on the little website or whatever, and she has some cute stuff. Oh my god. So the company name is Fit by Ruth, and it's really kind of like a little boutique or whatever, but she has some really cute, like, I don't know how you would say it. It's not like your everyday stuff. So I think that's kind of what I like about it. It's a little abstract compared to, you know, other companies. So that's what I like best about it. And let's go ahead and open this package. This is what it looks like. It came in this little pink baggie here, and it's just kind of plain Jane, but I like the color. This little pop of pink is really cute. Now let's see if I can see the fly for jogging pants. It's for jogging pants. And I still didn't get it. Ugh, I hate flies. So anyways, you guys, you know, if y'all want to hear the story behind this damn fly. So I got my little baby honey over here, and I was just letting her, like, you know, go use the bathroom or whatever, potty outside, and this damn fly just walks on in like he owns the damn place. Like, I'm gonna get him. Wait, by the end of this video, he gonna be dead. If I can get it open, y'all, I need some scissors. Jesus. Sometimes you gotta improvise. Alright, so yes, honey. Oh my goodness. So y'all wouldn't believe what it took for me not to open this. Like, Usually I'm so bad about waiting and actually recording my reaction to opening packages. I usually just go ahead and God damn it. Look at this shit. Anyways, so I had to leave my package in the other room so I wouldn't think about it. So the items, oh my god, you guys, oh my goodness. So the items that I got is this cute little visor. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. And this visor kind of, you know, inspired me. Y'all know I got a little thing. I got a little thing for mermaids or whatever. And these colors, like, look at this. Look at these colors. So the colors inspired me. Well, the mermaid inspired the colors, and I had to have the colors. And I also got, I don't even know, like, I don't do bags, y'all. Like, I don't do bags at all, but I had to get this. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my goodness. This is too cute. Baby, look. Okay, your girl's gonna be on the beach with this. I'm sorry. Oh my god, y'all. This is too cute. Look at it. Oh my goodness. I can't. I just can't. I just cannot. So, I know I'm gonna have to wear these with my braids and everything, you know, cause red time heads, you know. And look at it. Like, the structure is nice. It's not gonna be hurting your head. Got a little cushion up in there. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's a little cushion in there. And the material looks breathable. Like, you're not gonna be sweating your damn eyebrows off or nothing. Oh my god, y'all, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Let me try. So yeah, this is the company, this her little logo, whatever it's called, Fit by Ruth. And I love it. I just love it. So I was thinking to weld these two together. Even though this one is like a lot more, way more darker than this one, but the iridescent colors match. So, honey, I ain't worried about it. And then it's like the trim. Oh, I'm trying to get the plastic off. It's like the trim of the bag and the trim of the hat are both black. So it's like, yes, sis. Yes. Come through, sis. Yes. Yes. Come through, sis. Hold on. Yes. 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 If I can get my braids to act right. Oh my goodness, this is just too cute. Look at that. It's super cute. Yes, sis. Yes, sis. Come true. Come true, sis. Ain't this cute, y'all? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be, girl. I'm gonna be popping. This is too much. I'm gonna be popping. In with the bag. Yes, sis. Come true. So, this is how it looks. If I can just, I might have to like do my hair a specific way, like pull it up or something like that. But I need be taking somebody's lives up in these, yes. And get the perfect shades to go with it. Yes, like I just can't. And then it's got a zipper on the top. see. Yeah. Oh, okay. So, if you guys can see, it has a zipper on the top. And it also has a zipper for the biggest part. So it has 2 compartments. And I'm not sure if you guys can see this on camera, but even with the the material of the actual zipper, it's iridescent. Like, that's so cool. Oh my god, that who thinks of that? That is super cute. Super cute. What I'm gonna put in this, I have no idea. Cause like I said, I don't do bags. But honey, we're gonna cross that bridge when we get to it. Cause this right here, yes, honey, yes. Oh my goodness, this is too cute. But yes, okay, so quality. This is really good quality. I can tell. This is not cheap quality. Like, material, as far as the material, this is a really thick, durable material. Like, this isn't gonna rip or tear on you. Like, this is really good. Give me like some little the little papers you there when you get sweaty and oily. I'll put some of that in this top compartment. In the bottom compartment, I don't know, I'll probably put like some lotion or some spray or something. But yes, now the customer service. Customer service was actually pretty good. She was nice, she was patient, and I get to give you guys a discount, so yeah. Yeah, customer service was pretty good, and I also received like notifications through text messages when the package arrived, when the package was shipped, and like different locations where the package was going. Like, it was great. It was on, everything was on point. I have no complaints about the customer service. So overall, I think this company is shebanging. It's pretty, like, it's kind of like a upcoming company, but I don't see, I don't see anything wrong with this company. I actually like I like the company, and I like the things that she has on her website. So the growth is there, honey. It's there. It's in the future, honey. It's in the present, honey. But this is, I love this, y'all. This is really nice. Like, this is nice. Like, I can't wait to put this on. I can't wait to put this on. Bougie.